Let me tell you the most expensive mistake of my life. I wasted 5 years of my life playing small. I told myself I was being smart. I told myself I was being safe. But really, I was just scared. Scared of failing. Scared of what people would think. Scared of betting on myself. And do you know what playing it safe really cost me? Time. Years I will never get back. Years where I could have been building freedom for me and myself, my wife, my future kids, my family. Instead, I was stuck in the same cycle, pretending everything was fine. Maybe you're doing the same right now. Working a job you hate, scrolling your phone every night, telling yourself one day. But let me be real with you. One day will never come. It only changed for me the day I stopped hiding. The day I said, enough. I'm done wasting time. I would rather fail chasing freedom than succeed living like a loser. That was the day my life flipped around. So hear me on this. The hidden cost of playing small isn't just money. It's your life. And it's slipping through your fingers right now if you don't act.